Jazzy Carbon, how to fold it.
Pull the latch, push down, and then it's actually got a Velcro underneath here to latch your. Let's see. This Velcro is to latch the footrest.
Oh, I see. So it stays in place.
So it won't open back up.
What's the weight of this?
It's 39.6 pounds without the battery. With the battery's 4 pounds.
All right.
So it's 43.6 pounds with the
So
battery.
battery's 39. Okay.
Yeah.
How's the battery pull out?
Right here.
Oh, it's right there, right
It's got a
top.
latch right here. Just pull it right
Oh,
out.
so you save a little weight, make it even lighter.
4 pounds. You can charge it right here
Nice.
on the battery. It's got a little groove. You put it to the right on this groove, and it slides in. You just pull that latch. That's it. And you
Very
just
cool.
open it up like this. It's got front suspension here, and it's got frame suspension in the back right here.
Nice. Very nice system.
It's also got anti-tippers that you can adjust.
Oh, cool.
3 different positions.
That's cool.
And it's also got a USB
Wow.
charging in the front here.
That's really
And
cool.
you can charge the battery there also.
So you can run your phone off of that.
Both your arms, and you can reverse. You can put it here.